Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to play on the piano a beautiful composition of Alan Silvestri. It's the theme from Forrest Gump. I will show you the left hand, the right hand and how to play it together. And first I will show you how it sounds with both hands in the right tempo. That's not very easy, but it's beautiful and there are many parts that repeat. So let me show you the right hand. So the right hand starts here on a C sharp. So it's like that with the third finger. Then we have D, E, which is repeated twice. Then with the second finger. Then C sharp, E, A, E, C sharp, so it's like that. Then we have D, E, F sharp repeated twice, D, and F sharp, like that. Then again D, E, F sharp repeated twice, D, F sharp, B, G sharp, E, C sharp, D, E repeated twice, A and E. Okay, let me repeat it. And please use the fingers that I am using as it's most convenient, I guess. C sharp, D, E repeated twice, C sharp, E, A, E, C sharp, D, E, F sharp twice, D, F sharp, then again D, E, F sharp repeated twice, D, F sharp, B, G sharp, E, C sharp, D, E repeated twice, A and E. Alright, so that's a lot. Let me add the left hand. We start with the figure like that. And so you have the note A, which is kept, and 4 notes E in this kind of rhythm. And this measure is repeated 4 times. twice again, but with the right hand already, like that. Alright. Then there is a small change. We play the left hand like this, A again, but then we play F sharp, repeated also 4 times like before. So we play like this twice. So with the right hand we have then the change again in the left hand. We play B and F sharp 4 times, then G sharp and E 4 times, and next A and E 4 times. Alright, so let me play from the note B in the left hand. Let me show you the left hand. The next measure is like that. Let me repeat it. So this is A, E, E, A, E, G sharp, E, and then will be the second part, which is more difficult. So let's repeat together with both hands from the beginning. So 4 measures. The left hand only. Second part, let's start with the right hand. We have the chords A and F sharp, B and G sharp, C sharp and A, repeated twice, then A and F sharp, C sharp and A, again A and F sharp, again C sharp and A, and A and F sharp. Let me repeat it. Okay, with the left hand. The left hand for this part is like that. F sharp and C sharp repeated 4 times. Then F sharp, C sharp, C sharp, F sharp, C sharp, E, C sharp. Okay, so let's once again. Okay, both hands. Okay, and the right hand continues like that. We have F sharp and D, G sharp and E, A and F sharp twice, F sharp and D, A and F sharp kept longer. Once again. So the left hand for this part is like that. D and A repeated 4 times. D, A, D, continue with the right hand. We have F sharp and D, then G sharp and E, A and F sharp twice, then F sharp and D, D sharp and C, then E and C sharp, F sharp and D, it's almost the end, so please continue, then D and B, and then C sharp and A to finish. Let me repeat this last part. So the left hand for this part is B and F sharp repeated twice, then A and F sharp repeated twice, then G sharp kept and F sharp repeated twice, E and F sharp repeated twice. So we have the next notes with the fifth and then F sharp, which is repeated twice like this. But an octave which is more to the left, so we have A and E repeated 4 times. So this last part with both hands. The end, so let me repeat from the beginning. Just remember that when we are almost finished, I repeat this left hand. Here we play 3 times the note E, and then we start with the right hand from the note A, B, and we play just as at the beginning, but 1 octave down, 1 octave to the left. And we repeat whole composition from the beginning, just an octave to the left. So we will play like and so on. So let me play from the beginning once again, whole composition. We start just with the left hand 4 measures like this. times the note A, and now 3 times, 3, and we start with the right hand as well, and we start as before, just an octave down. So that was the main theme from Forrest Gump. I hope you enjoyed it and that now you can play it yourself. Thank you.